Hello. Hello, I'm going to show you how to make a picture vocabulary chart using Read and Write by Text Help, which is currently free as of today's April 19th, 2013 for a Google Chrome extension. This is a Google Doc. I have typed this in previous. And what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go and I'm going to highlight certain words. So I'm going to highlight this word. Okay. Something I found that's kind of tricky is you need to use the same text background. You can use different colors you can sort, but we won't get into that. So I'm going to just use yellow because I'm old-fashioned and that's typically what we use. And I'm going to be highlighting each one. I'm going to change the background to yellow. Okay. And these are the words that a student would be working on to learn the vocabulary. In addition to doing the picture vocabulary, Read and Write's awesome for it. Reads text. It's a nice feature, but this is a feature that I've just fallen in love with. So I have that. I have highlighted the words. I'm going to go up next here, and I'm going to go up to Collect Highlights. Okay, I'm going to go to Collect Highlights. I'm going to collect the highlights. And see how it says sort by color or whatever else. It shows my Google Docs and all those things too. It actually has a site here. So I've collected my highlights. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go up to vocabulary. I'm going to click on vocabulary. And it is going to show me that the words that I have highlighted. Okay. This is just right off the cuff, so I'm not sure why it is not showing me the meaning for jumped, but it does show me pictures, and that's what I really want to get across. So a student could be learning the word jumped, and they see that this is jumped. They can see the pictures. Here's a lazy person. It kind of shows a figure there, and it does a definition too. So this would be very good for sight words. Here's a fence. It actually shows you a picture of a fence. Now, if you wanted to add a word, all you need to do is you need to get out of the vocabulary list. So you do need to close out of that. Now, let's say I wanted to add, well, I'm going to add dog. And I'm going to add over. Whoops. Going to add over. Again, I'm doing all in the traditional yellow highlighter. Now all I'm going to do again is I'm going to do collect highlights again. Now I have all of those. Now when I go to my vocabulary list, it should come up with those added. So now I have a dog, I have a fence, I have jumped. Again, I don't have words for that. And this is very interesting. Over. I have some diagrams for what over means. And to me, this makes much more sense than the Word document. Yeah, over, I'm over this. I mean, above this, the circle is, or I'm going to go over. This could be great for discussions and for learning. And just a great piece of assistive technology. So go ahead, create your own.